Make your like list private. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your like list private, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app, and once you are there, click on those three lines up there. Now you're gonna find setting, which is the last option at the bottom. Here you have privacy, click on it. Now you have who can view my like list, which is the third option. And here you can choose who can view your like list. Everyone following each other, which means friends, or only me. Choose only me to be the only one who can see your like list. Let's make it private. And this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.